everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So the other day I was going through my comments and replying to the comments on my latest video, and I saw a couple of comments saying that I don't do hauls anymore, which is not true at all, because I believe I recently did a Colaba Causeway haul, and by recently I mean like in January. But since a lot of you have been requesting me to do more of hauls, I've lined up a couple of them for this month. Talking about today's video, I'm going to be doing a Zaful haul. Now I have actually done one Zaful haul in the past as well, so I will link it in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out. But as I said, I've worked with Zaful in the past and they sent me all of these products really kindly. Just wanted to let you guys know that all my opinions are going to be 100% honest, just like always. Having said that, let's just get started with the video. I'm gonna start off by talking about all the clothing items first, because there aren't very many clothing items. I decided to go with more of accessories this time because I've been really into accessories lately. So the first item that I picked up are some dungarees. You guys know my obsession with dungarees, and it's been a little bit since I've bought a new pair of dungarees. So I decided to get one, and these are some denim dungarees, and they have a few patchworks here and there, and they also have like 2 pockets and some rips here and there. So I'm pretty sure I picked up an extra small or a small for sure, but I don't know why they sent me like a large. I know it doesn't quite add up. The next thing is a bodysuit. Actually no, it's not a bodysuit. I got it from the swimwear section, but you can totally wear it as a bodysuit. If you're a big Instagram user, you've probably seen this top on some model or some person, and the reason why I bought this is for a future video. But talking about this bodysuit again, it's very flattering, fits me well, the material is really good, and it's really pretty. So the next clothing item is for a future video as well, the same video that I was talking about earlier. And this is what it looks like. It's a coordinate set. I really like wearing coordinates. Like coordinates and dungarees are my 2 obsessions. I love them. But I don't really own a coordinates which are like skirt and a crop top. I usually have like trousers, crop top, or trousers off shoulder top. Like those are the type of sets that I have. But I decided to pick this flowy skirt which has like 2 slits in the front, and this really pretty crop top. The crop top fits really well. I really like the whole summery spring vibe that's going throughout the outfit, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it in the coming months. And finally, the last clothing item that I picked up is this yellow jumpsuit. I am absolutely in love with this jumpsuit. It's probably one of my favorites, or like top 2 things that I got, because my number 1 favorite I'm gonna show you in a while, but this is my number 2, and I love this jumpsuit. I love the mustard yellow and the way it fits. It's a little bit big on me because usually these clothes are made for like, I think, people who are 5'6", like around that height, and I'm 5'5", so it's a little bit big on me. But I think if I wore a pair of heels, it would be perfect. The length would be perfect, the fitting is perfect, the color is perfect. And also one more thing that I really like about this jumpsuit is that it has like buttons. You can open them up or shut them depending on your mood and vibe. So yeah, that's definitely one of my favorites and would definitely recommend. Okay, finally moving on to accessories, because I love accessories. So the 2 bags that I picked up, the first one is this black backpack. It's made up of this, I don't know what is it called, like the raincoat material. Is it called polyester? No, it's not polyester. Like, you guys know what I mean. It's made up of that waterproof material, and the reason why I picked this up is because I own quite a few backpacks, quite a few black backpacks to be precise, but all of them are really tiny and I can't fit a lot of stuff in it. And when I use those tiny backpacks, I won't carry a water bottle because they're just so small. So I wanted a backpack that was big enough for me to carry all of my essentials and not skip on taking the water bottle every day. So this bag is a perfect size. It's not too big and bulky either. It's absolutely perfect. But yeah, one thing that I would say is that it does look a little bit cheap. Like the straps look a little bit cheap, but I don't hate it. It looks fine and it does its job, which is why I really like it. And the second bag that I got, I don't know if it qualifies as a bag. Does a fanny pack qualify as a bag? I think so. So yeah, I bought this unicorn fanny pack. Now the reason why I picked up a fanny pack is because in my previous videos I gave away a fanny pack. It was this really beautiful rainbowy transparent fanny pack, and I really wanted one for myself. So I picked this one up from Zaful.com. The material's really good. It has enough space for me to fill in all of my essentials, and yeah, I'm really happy with this bag. Also, I picked up a small little pouch. It's a marble print pouch. So this marble pouch came with, I think, 10 makeup brushes, and honestly I don't need any more makeup brushes in my life, but the reason why I bought these makeup brushes is because it came with this matching marble print bag. I know it's ridiculous, but I loved this marble pouch, and ever since I got it, the day I received it, I've been using it to store my makeup, carry it around. I even use it to store my pencils. I use it for everything. I love this pouch. And now talking about these brushes, I actually decided to give away these beautiful marble print brushes because I own already way too many. So to know more about the giveaway, everything will be listed in the description box below. Moving on to like actual accessories, necklaces, earrings and all of that. I'm gonna start with the necklaces. First one that I got is this golden with a little bit of rose gold in it. It's this moon necklace, and this necklace actually came with a matching choker, but both of them are separate, so you can wear each one of them separately as well. And this necklace is probably my third favorite out of this haul because I love this necklace. The day I got it, I've been using it just like the marble pouch. And the second necklace that I got, it's a choker, and it's a really delicate choker, golden rose gold-ish. Very pretty and perfect for layering. Okay, let's move on to earrings because I got quite a few earrings. For all those who don't know, I love earrings, especially big earrings. I love hoops, and I wear hoops almost every single day, which is why I decided to go and pick up like different types of earrings so that I can incorporate a little bit of variation and not just wear hoops every single day. The first one are these moon earrings. They're very similar to the chain that I got, but obviously I wouldn't wear both the things together because I'm not into the whole matchy thing, and I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be worn separately, but I mean, you can do what you want, it's fashion. Okay, so if you've watched any of my previous Colaba Causeway hauls or any of that, you guys know that I love like tassel earrings, the one with has like a little bit of wool dangling. I don't know what are they called. How do I even do hauls on YouTube? I don't know, but they're basically hoops, and then it has a little bit of wool hanging at the bottom. That's the best I can explain, and I bought them in I think 4 different colors. The first one that I picked up is in this mustard yellowy color. Similarly, as I said, I got it in a navy blue as well. Third one is this beautiful emerald green. I really like the way it looks on my face. So yeah, I just picked it up in 3 different colors. Going with the whole tassel theme, I also picked up these blue tassel earrings. I think these are tassels, right? So it has a kind of ombre from a light blue to a navy blue, and they're so like high street fashion. I love them, and yeah, I can't wait to style them. And the last 2 pair of earrings that I picked up, so the first one are these dangly earrings which has like little hexagons, yeah, so it has 6 sides, so it's a hexagon. Looks very delicate and pretty. And the second pair of earrings are these round earrings. I don't know how to explain them. You will see. They look really cool. And yeah, again, love them. And the last item that I picked up, the grand finale of this Zaful haul, my favorite thing ever, is this LED letter light up box. Again, if you're an Instagram user, you've probably seen these as a home decor, room decor piece, or in a lot of flat lays. So yeah, that is why I got it as a room decor piece and also for my flat lays because I personally love having flat lays on my Instagram. So yeah, I thought this would add a really nice element to them. For all those who don't know what this exactly is, basically it has 2 options. It can be battery operated, or you can plug it into a wall and use it kind of electronically. But I really like that it has these 2 options available because I don't personally like the look of wires coming through objects, so battery operated is perfect. So yeah, that was my Zaful haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link everything that I bought in this haul in the description box below in case you guys want to buy it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!